Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change password on Binance. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Binance. Now, click on this Binance button on the top. And since we are already logged in, now click on your profile icon over here and click on security. Now, if you scroll down, we can see this option called login password. Click on manage. Now click on continue. Now we need to enter the verification code we got in our email. Now enter the new password and confirm it. And click on confirm. So it's done. So this is all we need to do to change password on Binance. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.